Hey everyone, welcome back Auto Tech Revamped channel. Today, I'm bringing you something super exciting if you're into car customization. We're looking into the top 5 best interior LED light kits for your car, lights that turn a regular drive into a party, create a relaxed ambience, or just add that little something extra. I've personally tested each one while installing for my clients, so I'll be sharing the pros, the cons, and everything in between to help you pick the perfect lighting setup. And here's the twist. I'm counting down from my least favorite to my top pick. Stick around, because the number one choice might surprise you. As always, check out the links in the description below for more details on where to buy and latest pricing. Also, please subscribe to the channel for more in-depth car accessory reviews. Be sure to like, share, and let me know in the comments which lighting kit you'd want in your car. Now let's get started with the reviews. Number 5. Govee Smart Car LED Strip Lights RGBIC Interior Car Lights with 4 music modes. Starting with number 5, the Govee Smart Car LED Strip Lights RGBIC. This kit is solid for anyone who wants a vibrant color display with loads of customization. I've installed these for clients who really wanted something eye-catching, and they do deliver, especially with Govee's RGBIC tech, which lets you display multiple colors on the same strip. It's a unique, almost rainbow effect, and definitely a standout. Detailed review. The RGBIC feature on this set is a game changer because instead of a single color across the whole strip, you can have various sections lit up differently, giving your car a more dynamic look. For example, you can set the front and back strips to display different colors, or have one strip gradually fade into another. The level of customization here is high, thanks to the Govee Home app. You get access to over 16 million colors, various speeds, and brightness adjustments, which is great for anyone who likes to fine-tune. And let's talk about the 4 music sync modes. I've seen this in action while setting up a client's car for a weekend road trip, and the lights really come alive. Each mode responds a little differently to sound, so you can choose one that suits your music. The lights actually dance along to the beat, making the drive much more engaging for passengers, especially on those long night drives. Installation. The Govee set has a 2-line design, making it easy to connect all 4 strips without excess cabling hanging around. Installation is straightforward, but the adhesive could be better. I'd recommend cleaning the surface really well and adding a couple of extra clips for a solid, long-lasting installation. Pros. 1. RGBIC multicolor display shows multiple colors on one strip at once. 2. For dynamic music modes, great sound responsive light patterns. 3. Extensive customization, 16 million colors and a range of effects. 4. Easy app control, user-friendly app that allows full remote control. 5. 2-line design, easy to hide wiring for a clean look. Con. Adhesive strength. The adhesive could be stronger. You may need extra clips to secure it. Number 4. Jushope Interior Car LED Strip Lights with Wireless App and Remote Control. Coming in at number 4, we have the Jushope Interior Car LED Strip Lights. This setup is definitely unique. It comes with 236 inches of fiber optic cable that you can cut to size. For a client who wanted interior lights that wrapped around the entire dashboard and door panels, this was the perfect solution. Detailed review. What makes the Jushope set different is the fiber optic design. This isn't just about strips of LED lights. Instead, you get a sleek, thin light source that you can bend and shape to fit custom spots around your car's interior. It's a super stylish option, especially if you want more discreet lighting. The 16 million color choices are great, and there are 29 modes to switch between. From solid colors to flashing effects, you get a lot of options. This set also has dual control. You can use the app for easy customization or the included remote. The app works well, though I noticed that the fiber optic doesn't get quite as bright as standard LED strips, so it's more of a subtle glow than a full-on light show. Still, for someone looking for an understated, stylish effect, this is a winner. Installation. Since the fiber optic cable can be cut to fit, it's very customizable, but that also makes installation a bit more involved. For the best look, you'll want to carefully plan where the cable will go and ensure it's properly tucked into the trim. Pros: 1. Fiber optic design allows for a more subtle, elegant glow. 2. Highly customizable length. Fiber optic cable can be cut to fit any area. 3. 29 lighting modes, a variety of lighting options for different moods. 4. Dual control options, use either the app or the remote. 5. Wide application, can be installed on various surfaces and around custom areas. Con: lower brightness, not as bright as standard LED strips, making it more suited for ambient lighting than intense color. Number 3. RGB interior car strip lights with smart app control. In the middle spot, we have the RGB interior car strip lights with smart app control. This is one of the more straightforward kits on the list, but don't let that fool you. It has a lot going for it. Detailed review. This set is great for clients who want a classic, colorful interior but with plenty of customization. Like the others, this has a built-in mic for music sync, but the real win here is how responsive it is to different beats. It pulses, flashes, and even fades to the rhythm, making it an instant hit for anyone who loves driving with their music cranked up. Another nice feature is the dual control option. You can use the app or the remote control. For those who prefer a more hands-off approach while driving, the remote is a great bonus. The lights are also IP68 waterproof, so if you spill a drink or need to clean them, there's no worry about damage. Installation. Super easy to install, just stick it on, plug it in, and go. It's great for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to spend too much time setting it up. Pros: 1. Music sync feature, super responsive to beats. 2. Dual control, app or remote, whichever you prefer. 3. IP68 waterproof, resistant to spills and cleaning. 4. Good brightness, provides a vibrant look. 5. Easy installation, beginner-friendly with simple adhesive setup. Con: limited color options. While it does have multicolor, it lacks the depth of RGBIC for more complex patterns. Number 2. Govee interior RGBIC car lights with smart app control. At number 2, we have the Govee interior RGBIC car lights, a real gem for those who want a top-tier lighting experience. Detailed review. The RGBIC tech here is even better than the previous model. You get a lot of control over color combinations with the app, which allows for up to 16 million colors and vibrant light effects. The music sync has 3 modes this time, and each one is designed to respond differently based on your music. It's really easy to make the car feel like a personal nightclub with these. I particularly liked how vivid the colors were. Even on a bright day, these lights managed to shine through. The app's intuitive design allows for quick changes, and there's even a feature to recognize colors from uploaded photos, applying them to your lights. Super cool for anyone who wants to match a theme. Installation. A clean 2-line design again, which is always a plus. It's a straightforward setup with good adhesive strength. Pros: 1. RGBIC tech, allows complex color combinations. 2. Bright vivid colors, great visibility even in daylight. 3. Intuitive app, user-friendly with fun features like color recognition. 4. 3 music sync modes, each mode brings a unique experience. 5. Easy 2-line setup, neat and simple to install. Con: requires app for full control, limited options without the app. Number 1. Govee car LED lights with smart app control and DIY mode. And finally, taking the top spot is the Govee car LED lights with smart app control. This is my number 1 pick for a reason. It ticks all the boxes for style, control, and user-friendliness. Detailed review. This set combines the best of all features we've discussed. With DIY mode, you can create and save custom light displays. It's extremely responsive to music with dynamic music mode, which syncs perfectly for a fun, immersive experience. Another big plus is the simple installation. The lights are designed to fit neatly with minimal exposed wiring, which keeps the interior clean. And with rubber tubing for water protection, they're built to last. Pros: 1. Customizable DIY mode, full creative control. 2. Dynamic music mode, amazing music sync responsiveness. 3. Smart app control, easy adjustments and full features. 4. Durable build, rubber tubing for protection. 5. Clean installation, minimal wiring mess. Con: premium price, slightly pricier than other options. We have now come to the end of the reviews. If you're looking to transform your ride, any one of these car interior LED lights could be the perfect fit depending on your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description if you're ready to buy. And remember to subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Drop a like, share with friends, and let me know